Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear students. This is your teacher Sadi Kagar. Today we are going to discuss about adjectives. Adjective is also the part of speech. Adjective is a word which qualifies, modifies a noun or pronoun. Dear students, we already discussed about the noun in our 6th lecture. Noun is a naming word. So, whatever the name is in the word, this is called noun. And whenever the something is modified or describes noun, this is called adjective. So, what is pronoun? Whenever we are using word instead of noun is called pronoun. Like Ali is a good boy. He is playing games. Now we are using he instead of Ali. This is called pronoun. Ali is noun. In the other sentence we are using he instead of Ali. This is called pronoun. He, she, it, I, you, these all are pronouns. Now come to the adjective definition. It is a word which qualifies, modifies a noun or pronoun. Or we can say it is a word which tells us more about noun, which describes a noun or pronoun. The quality can be good, can be bad, it doesn't matter, but this is called adjective. Dear students, we have 5 types of adjectives. Adjective of quality, as I told you, that it shows the quality of noun and pronoun. Adjective of quantity, it also shows the quantity of noun or pronoun, is called adjective. Adjective of number, like 10, 4, 5, these are adjectives and it's a type of adjective. Interrogative adjectives, like we are going to ask some question from someone, is called interrogative adjectives. Like which is your favorite author, which is adjective. Where is adjective. What, whose, these all are adjectives. Demonstrative adjective, these are 5 types of adjectives. So this is easy for you, that you can say that adjective is a word which qualifies, modifies a noun or pronoun. It shows the quality and quantity of noun and pronoun. It also shows the numbers of noun and pronoun. These are called adjective. Quality may be good, quality may be bad, but it is called adjective. Dear students, let's move to the examples. I have 3 examples. I have a black pen. Black is a color, but it describes the pen, that what color of your pen is, that is black. So black is adjective and pen is noun. It is a long pencil. It shows the size of the pencil. It describes the size of the pencil. Pencil is noun, so long is adjective. Sarah has 10 candies. It shows the number of nouns, shows the number of candies. So 10 is adjective. Hope students you will understand the adjective definition. Dear students, the main topic of adjective is adjective of quality. As I told you that adjective is a word which modifies, qualifies, describes noun and pronoun. It shows the quantity and quality of noun and pronoun. So what is the adjective of quality? Because it's a types of adjective. Adjective of quality refers to the kind, degree or quality of something. Sometimes adjective of quality are called descriptive adjective. We can also call it descriptive adjective. It shows the quality. It refers the quality. It refers the kind. It refers the degree of the noun or something or someone. For example, Ali is a clever boy. Now clever shows the quality of the noun. It shows the quality of the Ali. So clever is adjective of quality. Sarah is a beautiful girl. Beautiful is the adjective of quality. She is a lovely girl. Lovely is a adjective of quality. It shows the kindness. It shows the quality of the Saira. So these are called adjective of qualities, and adjective of qualities also called descriptive adjectives. Dear students, I have few examples related to adjective of quality. I saw a woolly sheep. So woolly is adjective of quality and sheep is a noun. She is a lovely girl. As I told you, lovely is a adjective of quality. It shows the quality of the girl. Ali is a clever boy. So boy and Ali is also a noun, and clever shows the adjective, shows the quality of Ali. We have daily homework. In this sentence, daily shows the quality of the homework, the quality of the noun. So this is adjective of quality. Hope students you understand the lecture. Hope you understand the adjective of qualities and you understand the adjective definition. Now you will do these definitions in your neat copy. You will draw proper margin lines, you will write the date, and you will write the definition of adjectives with examples. You will write the definition of adjective of quality with examples. Dear student, it's time for homework. You will do what? You will do these exercises in your neat copy and you will give the heading of homework. Underline adjective of qualities of the given sentences. Japan is a developed country. He is an honest man. She is an intelligent girl. Sarah is a beautiful girl. Ali is a nice guy. Students, these homework you will do at home related to adjective of qualities. I will share these images, these homeworks in your group as well. Dear students, you also do these exercises. You will do the practice of these exercises at home related to adjectives. Underline adjectives in the given sentences. Ali is a fat boy. She is a beautiful girl. I like long hair. Lion is a dangerous animal. She has 10 apples. Sarah has black hair. This is an easy task. I wear simple clothes. It is a white chalk. He gave me 2 candies. Okay, dear students, Ali is a fat boy. Fat shows the size of the adjective. She is a beautiful girl. Beautiful shows the adjective of the quality. I like long hair. Long is also represent the size of the adjective. Lion is a dangerous animal. It shows the quality of the animal. She has 10 apples. It shows a number of adjectives. Sarah has black hair. Black shows the color of adjective. Adjective of colors. This is an easy task. It is also adjective of quality. I wear simple clothes. Adjective of quality. It is a white chalk. White shows the adjective of color. He gave me 2 candies. It shows the adjective of numbers. So you will see the variety of the adjective sentences in this one exercise, and I will share these exercises with your group as well. Hope students you will understand all the things and you will listen the lecture carefully and you will write all the things in your copy. Good luck, stay blessed at home. Allah Hafiz.